All right, we're gonna do a drill. We're just crossing over this chair and we're gonna do a wide open pull-up jumper at the free throw line. Good gather, way to be. Okay, go. Cross it over, gather yourself, shoot that ball. Good job. I love the no hesitation. You're open, put it up. That's a good shot. Good job, Raiden. Good gather, Ripken. Atta kid. Nice. Nice, Coops. Way to square up. That's all we're working on. This is a drill you can do at home so many times. You guards, this is how you're going to get open. Clayton, good follow through. Love it. Okay, we're going to focus on this crossover. Okay, Blaker, remember switch hands on that crossover. Atta kid. Good. Go, Eli. Nice. Went to the right. Way to go. Good. Keep our eyes up too, remember? Good crossover. Go loot, Derek. Boom. Go ahead, Coops. Nice. We know where we want to go. Cross it over. Get open, square and shoot. Good. Okay.